Hello, today I'm in Peugeot 508. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage telephone settings. In the beginning, let's take a look at the radio panel and press Tell button. Now, look at the screen display and press the button on the left side. Go to telephone options, and right now you can check memory info, for example number of system internal contacts, internal directory, and number of contacts from the telephone. Then you can check ringtones, change ringtones, and change ring volume. Then you can enter updates, and in updates you can update of contact information from the telephone SIM card, the internal telephone contact list, or the telephone SIM card and contacts. In put on hold, you can enable or disable put on hold automatically or manual connection. Then simply press confirm to confirm your settings. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.